Here's a quick fix I did to the Smith & Wesson Victory. The safety, there's a lot of complaints that it comes off rather easy. So I just made this little extension with 3 layers of 1/2 to 1/4 heat shrink. One layer was actually good enough. Then I went with 2, then I could actually go to 4, but I like this. It extends out good enough, very comfortable on the thumb to rest on it. And you got to make sure you wrap it around that back side just enough to where it grabs there, which is just pressing against it. As it heats a bit, it will keep it there. So you could spend $50 from buy one at Tandem Cross, or you could just spend $2.50, not have to take the gun apart or anything, and just do it simply like that. Just thought I'd share it. Bye-bye.